My name is Vivian.
Emily, Star, Janet,
Charlie. Well, so let's get started.
Today we are going to talk about our research, and this is our topic. College student participant of online service and restaurant after COVID-19 pandemic. And first, this is our content, then I will talk about introduction. Nowadays, with the advancement of technology and the impact of COVID-19, more and more restaurants are using online systems such as QR code ordering systems and robot waiters. Customers can use their smartphone to place an order, make special requests, pay, and receive recipes. Many restaurant owners would like to turn to technology but are concerned about customers' attitude because their reactions are quite different. Some of them think robot waiter serves food quickly, accurately, and is clean and hygienic, but some of them think there is still a lack of human touch and reality. So we think this issue is worth exploring. To investigate, we choose college students as our participants, and we do the surveys and interviews to know their thoughts and true feelings. After this, we will provide the results for restaurants because these factors may influence customers' choice of how and where to eat. So when things become more advanced, we keep up with that. And next, Emily will talk about literature review.
Then I will talk about literature review. First part is the definition of unmanned service. The unmanned service is a type of service that is carried out without human operation, and it usually works independently to reduce the need for human workers in certain locations. Examples of unmanned service may include service robots, self-ordering machine, and online payments such as credit card, iPay, or other mobile payments. Second part is about trigger increasing demand for unmanned service. In the beginning, this service was not accepted by people because it lacks of human touch. But with technology developing widely, especially robots increased use around the world. However, the problems about humanization still attract attention. Restaurants could involve the process of service and change the degree of acceptance for unmanned service. Third part is the pros and cons of unmanned service. For the pros, we include increased work efficiency because it is fast and convenient, then minimize the risk of contact, also reduce labor costs to save money. For the cons, we include lost personal service and encourage technical problems such as malfunctions. So, in summary, these trends of automation have better acceptance and highlight the efficiency and novelty of unmanned service. This kind of transformation speed up the service delivery, also emphasize the importance of balance between unmanned and human operation. Finally, it remains a consistent demand for tech-driven solutions to meet customers' expectations. Then our research questions, we will have two questions. The first one is, how has COVID-19 impacted college students' attitude over unmanned servers and restaurants? And second, do college students have positive or negative opinions of unmanned service? Why? Now, Vivian will talk about method.
Now, let's talk about method. We use Google Form to investigate the views of college students on self-service. The form was divided into two parts. The first part asks participants for basic information, such as age and gender, and the second part was related to a topic, including their feelings and thoughts. The survey target college students at Hong Kong University and was shared through Instagram and WeChat. Finally, the content of the form was analyzed using Excel. Now, to talk about demographic information. The survey showed that 59.6% of people were female and 40.4% were male. The largest age group at 21 to 24, about 48%, and 18 to 20, about 40%, and 25 and older, about 11%. The most people comes from central area at 57%, and in the terms of spending, 47.7% will spend under $200, and only 1.7% spend over $1,000. Next, Janet and Yolanda will talk about results.
Now I'll talk about the results. Data show that 54% prefer ease in and 51.3% is out 2 to 5 times most often. Cash was the main payment method at 36.1%. Over half 66.5% have visited unmanned restaurants, and 68.4% prefer self-serving ordering, and 31.6% choose to order from waiter. Moreover, 56.3% information. Regarding the self-service ordering machine, nearly 94.9% realized its operation was static.
And most people thought online service had taken time, with 50.6% of people agreeing. Besides, many people viewed online service as a future trend, with 71.5% of people agreed, showing a general acceptance of online services. The pros of online service include space and convenience, reduce the fire risk, avoid personal effortness, and no time pressure when selecting products. This the potential disadvantage. This the positive attitudes towards online services. However, the cons, such as the lack of human touch, no sector in private self-service ordering systems are cumbersome and unable to meet customer special needs. These the potential disadvantages of online service related to medical service. Next, Charlie will talk about conclusion.
Now I'm going to talk about conclusions. This study explained about the college students' perceptions of unmanned restaurant service post-COVID-19. By digital widespread, the most of students use self-service ordering machine, robot delivery, unmanned reservation systems, and contactless payment, with the self-service ordering being the most popular. The benefit includes speed, convenience, and reduce the inflation risk. Despite the unmanned reservations have many inefficiencies, some people prefer human interactions. Although there's unmanned reservation, although there's a room still for improvement, unmanned service will actually be a trend in the future. People will widely be a role to play in the future. Next, we'll talk about suggestions.
Now, I will talk about suggestion for restaurant. Restaurant can consider using self-ordering machine or QR code ordering system. First, most people prefer using self-ordering machine because it's very fast and convenient. Next, reduce the number of waiters. We can manage the cost of labor, get better benefits. Next, increase kitchen efficiency. Next part, suggestion for future study. First, expand to different age group. Because we only contact Hong Kong University students and introductory students, as the sample is not huge and it doesn't represent the mainstream idea. Next, starting on different type of restaurant. We can compare posh restaurant and regular restaurant. Maybe just like different type of restaurant have different idea for online system. Just like it's possible to have a food delivery system in posh restaurant, but it's not real posh alone. So in final, what type of service do you prefer to use? Human service or unmanned service? It's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.
好，我们谢谢第五组，那我们请第五组提问老师吕明慧老师跟朱宇文老师提问。
Thank you for such an excellent presentation on such an important topic. Having said so, I'm concerned about your research methodology. So it seems you have 4 potential factors: students' perceptions, gender, age, residence, and consumption amount, correct?
Yes.
And so I'm wondering, it's not false, but I'm just wondering the rationale behind your research design. Why do you choose these 4 factors? I mean, why not say frequency of eating out, or maybe maybe your educational background?
Maybe I think education is not mentioned to decide you eat, and just like gender and maybe male and female and have different spend
Consumption habits?
yes. So and have a just like salary and the north, central and earth and east maybe have different salary. So a different package for meal. So I think this is you can decide is 4 question can decide is a demographics information.
It sounds like a budget
Yes.
is the real factor.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, my question is, you have used the surveys and interview in your study, right? Okay, so have you got any different results when using these 2 methods? Are the results the same from your survey and interview? Yeah, the results are the same. Any different?
Yes.
What's the difference?
And maybe somebody like human touch, so and have some just like something like it out is they need to some human touch and special needs. Just like I don't want to spicy, I want to more onion, and it's easy to talk to waiters, and that's a special need.
Okay. May I ask you a second question? Because in your study, the participants are all from college students, right? Okay. And eating out is common for people from different ages, right? Why do you choose the participants from different ages into your study at the very beginning?
Because in this age, it's the most at the range we can get the information. And like for elders, maybe it's hard for them to use smartphones because they have to choose for ordering QR code ordering systems. They have to scan the code, and after that, they have to choose a lot of options. So maybe it's too complicated for them. So we don't choose this age.